మీరు చూస్తున్న ఈ ఛానల్లో మీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లేదా వ్యాపార ప్రకటన కావాలంటే ఈ ఫోన్ నెంబర్ను సంప్రదించగలరు. ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9948299422.
Four, 5 days ka acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Like you?
Yeah. No.
హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు Telugu70mm. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉన్నది పూణే ఎస్థెటిక్ గోవాలో అనమాట. స్కిన్ హెయిర్ లేజర్ అంటే మనం చాలా రోజుల నుంచి తిరిగేసి ట్యాన్ అయితే వచ్చేసింది. కొంచెం హైదరాబాద్ వెళ్ళబోతున్నాం, అందంగా తయారవ్వాలిగా. అంతేకాకుండా ఇక్కడ చాలా ఫెసిలిటీస్ అయితే ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ఐశ్వర్య డాక్టర్ గారు ఉన్నారు, ఆవిడని అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం మనకి ఏది బాగుంటుంది, ఏం చేసుకుంటే బాగా అందంగా అవుతాం. వచ్చేసేయండి, లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వచ్చేసామన్నమాట మేడం డాక్టర్ ఐశ్వర్య గారిని కలవడానికి. హాయ్ మేడం.
హలో.
యాక్చువల్గా నేను గోవాలో 90 days నుంచి ఫుల్గా తిరిగి తెల్లగా ఉండాల్సిన మీలాగా నల్లగా అయిపోయాను. కొంచెం ఆ గ్లోకి మన దగ్గర స్కిన్కి సంబంధించి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చెప్పండి.
Okay, so for tan or anything, hydration, exfoliation, removal of dead cells, we do is skin treatment.
Okay.
For skin is like we do is hydra facial. In again hydra facial we have basic, standard and advanced. This kind of facial will help for instant glow and removing of the tan.
ఓకే.
Yeah. Also we have other type of facial, fire and ice facial, so many other types of facial. Also we have hydrogelly mask facial if client
Okay.
wants to go for glow, so we'll be going hydra facial with party peel or something like that.
ఓకే. ఇగో ఈ హెయిర్ కూడా మేడం ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏదో రింగులు చేయించుకున్నా,
Okay.
ఇది పిచ్చుకు కూడా తయారైంది. హెయిర్ కూడా ఏమైనా ఉంటాయి మన దగ్గర అసలు?
Yes, we have various hair treatment, like we have oxygen laser treatment, PRP treatment, GFC treatment, mesotherapy treatment. So
Okay.
according to your condition, we'll be suggesting you a perfect treatment line of treatment.
ఓకే.
So what is your concern actually?
నాకంటే ఇగో మీలాగా తెల్లగా అందంగా తయారైపోవాలి ఫేస్ అయితే మాత్రం నాకు అది కావాలి.
Okay, so for hair, if you're looking for dandruff and dry frizzy hair,
Yeah.
we'll be suggesting you first combination treatment OLT.
Okay.
OLT is nothing but oxygen laser therapy.
Okay.
After that, we'll be going for PRP injectable. So what happened? Whatever hair fall you're having with the water, beach water or salt water, so it will drop to reduce the hair fall and everything.
ఓకే. డాండ్రఫ్ అవన్నీ పోతాయి.
Yes.
యా ఓకే, అది కూడా కావాలి.
Yeah, so we'll be going you with first session of OLT along with the combination of PRP treatment.
ఓకే మేడం. ఇది ఇక్కడ లేజర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్స్ కూడా చేస్తారా?
Yes, we do most of the laser treatment for skin.
Okay.
For if person is facing with pigmentation, as you're saying you're looking for whitening of your skin.
Yeah.
So we suggest go for a laser treatment because what happens, laser will go that much depth, so it can make your skin more and more lightening of the
Okay.
skin. This is all is kind of a temporary, whereas
Okay.
laser it's a permanent treatment.
ఓకే.
So that's why we suggest for you is a laser which we are going with you is Q-stitch laser, nothing but carbon laser facial. So we'll
Okay.
apply a carbon gel, let it dry, then we'll give a laser shots. So you will be getting reduce of your pigmentation.
ఓకే, అయితే మీలా అందంగా అయిపోతా కదా. ఓకే, సూపర్.
So we'll go with you
Yeah,
OLT, PRP and the carbon laser facial.
ఓకే మేడం.
How much your tanned or pigmentation is there?
Okay.
Can you just close your eyes? Before you used to get any acne, anything?
వాట్?
Pimple you used to get pimple?
నో.
Nothing. Your skin is mostly oily or dry?
ఆయిలీ.
Oily. Okay.
ఎవ్రీ 5 minutes ఇట్స్ స్వెట్టింగ్.
Okay. It might be due to humid also. Yeah,
Okay.
because you have slight redness over here. So it might be your diet or due to that you are getting acne over here.
అంటే నిద్ర రావట్లేదండి అసలు. దట్స్ వై.
Yeah. So okay, we'll start with carbon laser facial.
ఓకే
first.
మేడం. యా.
So all your skin and hair treatments will be doing upwards.
Okay.
So we have various rooms and all. So I'll
Okay.
just show you to the rooms.
యా మ్యామ్.
right now we are doing your hair analyzer. So you can see at this camera.
Okay.
So I'll be showing you each hair follicle, how much it should be.
Okay.
Okay. So we are checking for your dandruff also.
Okay.
So can you see the white greasy thing?
That's
It's
what
all
dandruff.
dirt. It's
Oh.
kind of a dirt. So
Okay.
dandruff is the white color. Can you see that flake one in between?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
So
one.
that is dandruff.
Okay.
Yeah. So your hair follicle here you can see everywhere it is one. Can you see everywhere it is one?
Yeah.
So basically healthy hair will be over here. So
Okay.
usually it should be 2 to 3.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see right now?
Yeah,
3
yeah.
hair follicles and everything.
Yeah.
Okay. When we come here, you have only 1 hair follicle, which is means unhealthy hair follicle. It is called as hair thinning.
Okay.
Yeah. So and the dandruff are so severe actually. Everywhere, every hair standard, you have white thing.
Yeah. Because of salt water
Yes,
in
yes.
beach ka 90 days chat.
So right now we'll be going for your skin analyzer, seeing redness and pigmentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So can you see this is your actual skin texture.
Okay.
Okay. So this all things. So you have slight white hair grain. Do you do bleaching or something?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is slight redness of the skin as you're going into this hot humid weather. So there is a slight pigmentation.
Okay.
Okay. Are you following sunscreen and everything on time?
No, ante depends on.
Okay. Can you see there is a slight pigmentation dot
Yeah,
appearance?
this one ka.
Yeah. So this is slightly pigmented area.
Okay.
Rather than this other side is your actual skin tone.
Okay.
So here we do a hair transplantation surgeries also. So it
Okay.
is act as an operational theater also. So we
Okay.
have a kind of a intense light focus and everything, and highly equipment techniques also.
Okay.
So this is we called as an operational theater for hair transplantation.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. So due to removal of hair follicles and everything, need a focus, light and all. So we have placed all this.
How many hours?
It is actually 8 hours. It depend upon how much hair follicles we are going to remove.
Okay.
So based on that, the hours of surgery will be taking off.
Okay. Thank you.
So it is the first step of OLT. So it is basically an high frequency. So what it does, it removes your dandruff through the root. So
Okay.
usually dandruff is caused by a fungal infection. So when we treat the fungal infection, it is a permanent. So
Okay.
usually this procedure will be doing for 8 minutes all around your scalp.
Oh.
Yeah.
డాండ్రఫ్ మొత్తం వచ్చేస్తుందా ఇలా చేస్తుంటే?
No, it will be pure, goes off. You have to use an dandruff shampoo for
Okay.
prevention, because right now we'll remove it, right?
Yeah.
Again, if you expose to the environment and anything, it keeps on coming. So you have to use an anti-dandruff shampoo.
Okay.
So this is the step 2 of OLD treatment. So it is we called as biostimulation. So it also gives an red light therapy. Along with red light therapy, it goes inside and gives you an improvement of your blood circulation. So
Okay.
usually what happens in scalp, you have narrow blood vessels. So it will widen the blood vessels and blood circulation will be improved over there. So
Okay.
that's how you get nutrients to your hair, scalp and everything. So this procedure is almost done for 6 to 7 minutes. So you might feel slight high because the
Yeah.
radiation should go deep to your scalp.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's no problem.
no problem. It's actually good. And we kept very low energy right now, 4. Actually,
Okay.
we are supposed to keep 7 to 8. But
Okay.
as you're a beginner, we have kept only 4.
Okay.
Yeah. It looks like only red light, but it's actually produces radiation to your scalp.
Okay.
So this is step 3 where we do in OLT treatment. It is called an jet spray therapy. So we put a serum inside that therapy inside. So through that jet spray, it goes directly deep down to your scalp and give you nutrients and everything to your scalp. So with 2 steps, we have done the exfoliation of scalp. To balance the moisture of the scalp, we give it the serum over that. So it's actually take 3 to 4 minutes all over around your scalp. So this is laser helmet. So it is a final step of oxygen laser therapy. So in this what we do, this red light therapy goes below the scalp and produces oxygen to your scalp. So that's how it breathes. Also, it does a cell multiplication, so that's how your hair follicle will increase in number. So we keep it for almost 30 minutes, so it takes that much time to goes beneath under your scalp. So this is the first step. Its first step will be doing you cleansing, because you're coming from outside, you might apply sunscreen, anything, oiliness and everything. So first step, we'll do your cleansing and then we'll take your pick before and after.
Okay.
This is step 2, where we'll be applying you carbon gel. So why basically we apply carbon gel means whatever the dirt, impurities and everything will get stuck to that. So whenever we give laser shots, it will try to target this dirt and impurities and suck it everything out. Even your sebaceous gland, oiliness and everything, it will suck it out. So that's why we are applying your carbon gel. After applying gel, we'll leave it for 10 minutes, so let it dry up.
Okay.
Yeah. Any doubts, anything?
No.
Okay. You're feeling comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, no irritation, nothing, right?
No.
Yeah. So for this carbon laser treatment, what we do is first step, we cleanse your face. Why? Because you might apply sunscreen, something kind of gel based or something, and it's more of oiliness and everything will be settled on your skin. So that's why we do a proper cleansing. After cleansing, we take a before and after pic. So you get to know what and tan was there before and what are the after changes. And right now we have applied step 3 is carbon gel. So why we apply carbon gel is whatever the dirt, impurities and everything should stuck to that carbon gel, and when we give the laser shots, it sucks up everything, impurities, dead cells, oiliness and everything. So let it dry this carbon gel for 10 minutes, then we'll follow the procedure of laser treatment. So to protect your eyes from the laser, we are keeping you protective eyewear glasses.
Okay.
And same, the person who is doing the procedure also will be wearing the protective glass, because the light which comes through the laser, it's little harmful.
Okay.
So we are starting the laser.
Okay.
If any discomfort, just raise your hand. Do not change your body or something. Doesn't happen, just sound comes out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last step of your Q-switch carbon laser treatment. So what we are doing is covering it with the hydrogel mask. So whatever we have done the treatment and everything, it will give you an hydration, kind of tightening of the skin also. So that's why it is done at the last, to cover up and give you all kind of hydration in that. So we'll apply it and leave it for 20 minutes. Once it's dry up, we'll remove it off. Okay. So you're feeling relaxed?
Yeah, it's cool also.
Yeah. So how did you felt about the treatment overall?
Oral was very nice.
Okay.
But glow आता how many days का आता?
It takes almost 1 week around, because today the treatment is done, post care has to be taken care, after the result will be seen. And it usually take few sessions. After many sessions only you will be seeing slight improvement.
Okay.
Because we are not using anything chemical based or anything which will immediately give you result.
Okay.
So we are going on with a slow procedure which give you later and permanent result.
Okay. How many times we visit?
So every 21 days of gap, you have to do this laser treatment session.
ఓకే.
Yeah. So that's how after 4 to 5 sessions, you'll be seeing slight changes in your skin tone.
ఓకే.
Yeah. You're feeling relaxed with this mask.
యా మ్యామ్.
Yeah, so it's give you a cooling sensation where it helps you with an hydration. So the content is usually in this mask is hyaluronic acid.
ఓకే.
So whatever with humid weather and all dryness has been created, it will help you with moisturizing of your skin with
Nice.
hydrating and glowing glow.
అంటే చాలా మ్యారేజెస్ కి గట్టా చేపించుకుంటారు ఎట్లా ఎలాగా?
Yes, for grooms, brides and all, they'll come before 1 week of their treatment. Any bride and groom should come before 1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the post care will, after that we have to give you them post care, so they follow that and they'll get a kind of good result.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ ట్రీట్మెంట్ తీసుకున్నా కదా, ఏదైనా అంటే ఫుడ్ కానీ ఏమన్నా
Yes, that also will be guiding you after your treatment and everything. Will guide you the post care treatments like face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, along with diet plan.
Okay.
What foods you have to be taken care, what juices you have to prefer, what nuts you have to eat for your hair and skin. So
Okay.
all will be guided you at the end of the treatment.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Finish the treatment. You
Okay.
just see the face in mirror.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then take a pictures
ఓకే.
before and after.
ఓకే.
Okay? You just
ఫస్ట్ మా
see.
ప్రేక్షకులు చూస్తున్నారు, నెక్స్ట్ నేను చూసుకుంటా.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
Take a pictures first.
फोर 5 days का अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Like you.
Yeah. No.
So right now I'll be telling you what and all post care you have to take care. Today
Okay.
you not have to wash your face with face wash, active cleanser. You have to gentle wash with cold water.
Okay.
Next day morning you have to wash your face with this face wash according to your skin type.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the moisturizer after face wash, and this is the sunscreen.
Okay.
Sunscreen should be applied every 3 hoursly.
Okay.
That only by 3 hours only it's gonna stay because it's sunscreen. If you want for 8 hours, you can go for the sunblock.
Okay.
Okay, and then along with this thing, you have to take care of the diet. For skin, this is the diet. What products not to be eaten,
Okay.
like oily food, chocolate, dairy, spicy food, makeup, dandruff, and all. It has been given.
Okay.
Okay, and the what things to be eaten, like
Okay.
turmeric milk at night.
Okay.
It is an anti-inflammatory.
Okay.
Next is almonds, walnuts, helps for your hair growth and everything. Flax
Okay.
seeds, leafy vegetables, boiled egg, protein, like that.
Okay.
Same way, the pamphlet is given for the hair also. What and
Okay.
all things to be avoided, like hair straightening, curling,
Okay.
which you've been using.
Yeah.
Yeah, smoking, hard water not to keep on exposed. Coconut oils should not be applied.
Okay.
And also the diet, again the coconut water you can have in this season, or lemon juice will help you for hydration and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, carrots, it's a vitamin A for your hair growth and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
యా, చూసారు కదా, చాలా అంటే చాలా బాగా చేశారు. ఫుల్ హైజెనిక్ గా ఉంది. మనం తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఏమేం ప్రికాషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి, అలాగే ఏం ఫుడ్ తినకూడదు, ఏం ఫుడ్ తినాలి, అలాగే ప్రొడక్ట్స్ కూడా మనకి చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే గోవా వస్తే పూణే
Aesthetic clinic.
యా విజిట్ చేయండి. అంతవరకు స్టేట్ యూన్ టు తెలుగు 70mm గోవా ఛానల్ కెమెరామెన్ ప్రవీణ్తో, డాక్టర్ ఐశ్వర్యతో, ఆదిత్య యాంకర్. బాయ్ బాయ్.